Hey guys, I am Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls, and I'm going to watch Shark Puppet Goes to the Moon. I like puppets. So yeah, I like puppets. Okay, let's just watch it.
Yeah, I love playing Xbox with the controller turned off. It's so fun.
Shark!
What?
I just saw on the news that the moon is made of cheese.
Cheese? The
You
moon?
should definitely go there now.
The moon's made out of cheese.
Go live on the moon. It's made of cheese.
I'm going right now.
All right, go.
Okay. Fresno. Vegas, baby. Strip club. Yeah. Wow. Grand Canyon. This walk makes me want to jump off of it. Walking for too long. Ooh, Mount Rushmore. Wow, cool. I should be on there. Ohio. Boring. Almost there. Ooh, Statue of Liberty. Yeah. I'm gonna pass out. Oh, SpaceX. Finally here. Only took like 10 years. Let's go. You get on a spaceship going to the moon. Oh my god, look at that rocket ship. It's so big. I need to go in it. Let's go. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Less one.
Whoa! I'm in space. I'm floating. Oh my god, I can see my house from here. Oh, it's the Millennium Falcon. Is Chewbacca there? I sound exactly like him. I could probably speak to him. Oh, we're landing. Oh, that was horrible. Where's the cheese? Let's go. I'm so excited to see a cheese. Wait, what's this? A Canadian flag on the moon? How disrespectful. USA, 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 USA.
Hey there, buddy. Sorry to bother you, but what are you doing defacing our national flag?
Oh, come a little bit closer and I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Yeah, die. Yeah. Canada sucks. Yeah. Oh, I think there's cheese. Wait a second. Where's all the cheese? I thought the moon was made out of cheese. I've been lied to. I can't take it. I'm out of here. This sucks. We're crash landing! We're crash... We're at the Cheesecake Factory! Oh my god, cheesecake! I'm so happy we crash landed here, yo!
That puppet video is so cool.